Hello friends. In today's Chemistry Notes Info podcast, we are going to learn about some famous physics scientists and their inventions. Dear friends, there are so many famous physicists and their notable contributions and inventions in the field of physics. These world famous physicists and their inventions help to build our world better place to live. Friends, first scientist in our list is Isaac Newton, who lived from 1643 to 1727, and their main inventions in the field of physics are law of motion, gravity and calculus. And his birthplace is in United Kingdom. Second famous scientist is Albert Einstein, who lived from 1879 to 1955, and his famous inventions in the field of physics are theory of relativity, photoelectric effect, and he receives Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. And he lives in Germany, later Switzerland and USA. A third famous scientist is Galileo Galilei, who lives from 1564 to 1642. And his famous inventions in the field of physics are telescopic discoveries, law of motion. He is from Italy. Next famous scientist in our list is Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr lived from 1885 to 1962, and his famous inventions in the field of physics are Bohr model of the atom and quantum theory. He receives Nobel Prize in the physics in 1922, and he is from Denmark. Next famous scientist in our list is Max Planck. He lives from 1858 to 1947, and his famous inventions in the field of physics are Planck's constant and quantum mechanics. And he received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918, and he is from Germany. Next famous scientist is Werner Heisenberg, and he lives from 1901 to 1976. And his famous inventions in the field of physics are uncertainty principle and quantum mechanics. He received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1932, and he is from Germany. Next famous scientist in our list is James Clerk Maxwell. He lives from 1831 to 1907. And his famous inventions in the field of physics are Maxwell's equations and electromagnetic waves. He is from United Kingdom. Next famous scientist in our list is Marie Curie. He lives from 1867 to 1934. His famous inventions in the field of physics are radioactivity, discovery of radium and polonium. He receives Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 and Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911. He is from Poland, naturalized French. Next famous scientist in our list is Richard Feynman. He lives from 1918 to 1988. His famous inventions are Feynman diagrams, QED, and quantum mechanics. He receives Nobel Prize in Physics in 1965 and he is from USA. Next famous scientist is Erwin Schrödinger. Erwin Schrödinger lives from 1887 to 1961. His famous inventions are Schrödinger equations and wave mechanics. He receives Nobel Prize in Physics in 1933. He is from Austria. Next famous scientist in our list is Enrico Fermi. He lives from 1901 to 1954. His famous inventions in the field of physics are Fermi-Dirac statics and nuclear reactor. He received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1938. He is from Italy. Dear friends, you can visit our website www.chemistry.info.com to get more information about these famous scientists, and you can also get information about so many other famous scientists from our website. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com.